get the project overview here. Alright, here it is. There's no panel to speak of, but what I can do is I can take these guys off here and put DIN rail across in those areas. So that should give me at least a good start as to where all my electronics are going to go. This is the original spindle drive board. I got 12 gauge power coming in to this distribution terminal here. I'm probably going to swap out for the ones that I've got, or at least add to this, because this guy here's got 110 coming in to there, and then there's the IO block. It's going to tap into the 7i76E. 7i76E will probably have to reside back here somewhere, because there's not a ton of room. So we'll see how that goes. May have to figure out a way to mount some stuff sideways instead of flat, or at least mount it to the side walls or something. And here's the actual machine. The existing provisions for the servo motors will work perfectly for the DMM stuff, and then it's got a timing belt set up for the axis drives. All three of them have the same setup. Gonna have to pull the old wiring out of these covers here so we can pull the new wires through there. The wiring that I've got is a little bit long, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to deal with the excess. May have to see if they have a crimper for the Molex connectors, or may have to splice them in the middle somewhere. And here's all the stuff. Gonna come back on Thursday and actually get started on it, but I wanted to make sure that at least the power supplies are going to fit, and they just make it so when you put the power supply in, it's close to the edge. Safety relay is the same way. But now what they want to do is, well, the kids want to put like a Lexan panel over it, and then put some LED lighting in there so that when it fires up, it glows. I mean, I don't blame them. I would want to do the same thing. I told them we should make an external cabinet and mount all the stuff next to it. That way they can show off their handiwork. But we'll see how that all transpires.